Hi, this is Pat Walker at Mission Winners.
By looking at these into ETFs by sector, we get a great feel for what's strong, what's weak, what's getting stronger, what's getting weaker. That helps us in deploying our money in the various sectors and the stocks in those sectors. Knowledge is power, so let's take it. Here we go. Genomic. This is biotech ETF related, of course, to COVID-19 and still going up. You can say, oh, this is a bad bar. Up on heavy volume, down on less volume. What's the negative? A little bit extended from this consolidation here, so be careful with that. Cloud computing, still working. See this trend? This is why we've been involved with technology for a good chunk of the year. It works. It tells you what to do. Telemedicine, picking up. Again, related to COVID-19. Note this though, gaps up, runs up, closes in the bottom third of its range on a pickup in volume. A bit extended in price. Something to consider as far as chasing stocks in the group. The IBD 50 hitting all-time highs right there, backed off just a little bit. This was a bad bar though. Take note of that. That's serious selling on that bar. A little bit of resistance up here now. Something to be aware of. This folks on the MAC list stock. Okay, FV is the ticker symbol. For all the people here, right here, FV, that tells you the ticker symbol of the ETF also. Focus, as I said, on the ETF. Focus 5. Hanging in there. Ugly bar here, but it's still hanging in there. Maxless. Love the Maxless. Gold, kind of hanging in there. Just it's basically going sideways. Same with junior gold miners. That's it. Gold itself, just resting here. Okay. By the way, team, remember, these are weekly charts. Weekly charts. Biotechnology. Now, this is a reversal bar. What does that say? Be a little careful if you own biotechnology. Technology, look at that. Closing all-time highs. Volume was low, okay, but the trend has been strong. This whole trend, this is why we don't watch the news. We watch the charts. They tell us what to do and why we have been hammering technology over and over through this move. Medical, hanging in there, COVID-related. Home builders, isn't that great? Think about this. Man, the economy's awful. Everybody's out of work. This is a disaster. Da-da-da-da-da-da. And home builders at all-time highs. I rest my case. Think it through. Max List owns a lot of Max List stocks. Hanging up there. That's okay. Small cap. Just resting. Perhaps it'll lift off. At least it's not getting killed. Owns a lot of the Max List stocks. Hanging in there. One negative. Big reversal bar here. Fell on heavy volume. Rallying on decreasing volume. Some of the stocks this ETF owns. Good to know. Mid-cap, hanging in there, nice to see. Oil services. In one quick glance, what does this tell you? Hey, you know what? I think I got to stay away from oil services. Well done. Online, look at this. ProShares online. Look at that move. Is that sweet? But every reversal bar here, we'll have to watch it. Software hitting all-time highs, technology, and it's been strong. Look at that. I mean, folks, look at this thing leading. What has it told us? Get involved with software. NASDAQ 100 gapped up and reversed down. We'll have to watch this. Maybe it'll pull back a little bit. We'll have to watch the price and volume on it. QQQ, same situation. Cloud computing, another cloud computing. Hitting all-time highs there, touched it. Looks good, fine, hanging in. Silver, really not doing much of anything. That's a bad bar there, folks. What does that tell you? Be careful with silver. Don't know if you need to look at it. Steel's really not doing too much of anything, although this was a good week last week. Still languishing below moving averages, but it would be nice to see a pickup. Semiconductors hit all-time highs here. And it's been strong. Do you see the theme there? Technology, various forms of technology, has been strong, which is again why we focused on technology. Spiders hanging in there, SSO leverage hanging in there, kind of a cup and a handle, bit of a reversal bar this week. Solar, look at this. Isn't that great? It tells you, hey, maybe I need to look at this even back here. Gosh, I guess I need to look at some solar. You got a cup and a handle right here and it lifts off and it follows through on increasing volume. There you go. Small cap, lagging. TNA, lagging. Aerospace, lagging. Move on. Another biotechnology ETF builds a case. Home builders, there's another home building ETF. Look at that. It's been strong. Everybody's out of work. By the way, when I say that, please know, this is not an endorsement for President Trump. I'm not getting involved with any of that, okay? I'm just saying, if you read the news and watch the news, it's the end of the world, and you missed some great opportunities. And why you're doing this, isn't it? That's why I'm doing it. Basic materials, hanging in good. Communications, that's okay, flopping around a little bit. Energy. In 1 second, what does this tell you? Back here, what does this tell you? I don't think I need to mess with energy. Well done. Financials just going sideways, no leadership yet. Industrials slowly picking up, shows an economy picking up. That's good to see. Technology has been very strong. Big reversal week here, but it's still hanging in there. Consumer staples. Consumers. The world is ending, and the consumers are doing okay. There you go. Utilities picking up a little bit. Healthcare. Again, hanging in with what's going on in this country and the world. I can see why healthcare is doing okay. Consumer discretion. Discretionary spending. XLY hits all-time highs. If the consumer's battening down the hatches, you wouldn't see this ETF hitting all-time highs. Now, I'm going to pause here. You can say, Patrick, are you the eternal bull? No, I'm not. All I am is an individual that looks at the charts and lets the price volume action guide me. It puts me ahead of others. No preconceived notions. XME, metals and mining, nothing there. Don't need to do anything with it. XRT, retail, another retail ETF. There you go, hitting all-time highs. That's good to see. I mean, folks, this is a weekly chart. Software, hitting all-time highs, and it's been strong. What has that told us? To be involved with software, and we have been. I love it. And then back to the top. Anyway, quick overview, just to show you in a matter of seconds, you have a great idea with where to focus your funds, what to look for, and turn off the noise.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.